Are you planning to start a career in data analytics? Or maybe you are already in the field and want to improve your skills. Either way, you are at the right place. Data analytics is a fast growing field and companies are looking for people who can make sense of data. But what skills do you actually need? In this video, I will tell you about 7 must have data analytics skills that will help you get a job and grow in this career. Let's start. Hi, I'm Biju, and I simplify data analytics for beginners and job seekers. If you are interested in this field, then subscribe to my channel for easy tips, tutorials, and career guidance. Also, stay till the end. I will share some free resources that will help you start learning right away. So let's see the 7 must have data analytics skill. Alright, first up, SQL, the backbone of data analytics. If you are going to be a data analyst, you have to know SQL. There is no way around it. What it does, SQL is how you talk to databases. Companies store crazy amount of data in databases and SQL lets you pull, clean and analyze those data fast. For example, say you work at Amazon and your boss asks, hey, what were our top 10 best selling products last month? Instead of scrolling through spreadsheet for hours, you just write a simple SQL query and you get the answer appear in front of you in seconds. How to learn SQL? I have already started a series in SQL. The link is in the description. You can check out those videos. If you are new to SQL, you can start with W3 Schools or SQL Zoo. Both are free and beginner friendly. Next up, spreadsheets, the underrated powerhouse. I know they are not as flashy as Python or machine learning, but trust me, every analyst uses them. Why they matter? Spreadsheets are perfect for small data sets, quick calculations, and easy to build charts. And a lot of business still run on Excel and Google Sheets. For example, let's say you are working in a finance company and you need to calculate revenue trends. Instead of running SQL queries, you just throw your data into pivot table and get instant insights. How to master it? If you want to get good at spreadsheets, learn pivot tables, VLOOKUP, and index match. Check out ExcelJet or some YouTube tutorials. There are tons out there. Third skill is statistical programming, Python and R. Alright, let's talk about coding. If you want to go beyond spreadsheets and level up your analysis, learning Python or R is a game changer. What it does, these languages help you clean data, analyze trends, and even build predictive models. For example, a healthcare analyst might use Python's Panda library to analyze patient record and predict disease outbreaks. That is some powerful stuff, right? Where to start? Python is more beginner friendly, so I would recommend starting with Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Kaggle has free datasets to practice on, so just dive in. Fourth is data visualization, making data easy to understand. Let's be real, nobody wants to stare at a boring spreadsheet full of numbers. So, why it matters? Your job as an analyst is not just finding insights, it is communicating them so people actually understand the data. Let's say your marketing team wants to know how website traffic changed over time. Instead of showing them raw data, you build a clean, interactive dashboard that makes uh, trends super obvious. How to learn? Download Tableau Public, which is a free tool, or try Power BI. Then practice by recreating these charts uh, which you see in articles or records. The fifth is database management, handling large scale data. If you are working with big data, you will need to know how to manage databases efficiently. Common tools. The big ones are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. These are where companies store all their raw data. Let's say you work for a retail company. Every customer transaction is stored in a PostgreSQL database. Your job, writing queries to analyze sales trend and customer behavior. How to learn? Set up a free MySQL or PostgreSQL database and start playing with real world data sets. Try writing basic queries to filter and sort data. The sixth is machine learning, the future of analytics. Alright, let's get fancy. Machine learning. This one is not required, but if you learn it, you will stand out big time. Why is it important? Companies use machine learning for fraud detection, customer recommendations, and predictive analysis. For example, think of Netflix recommendation. Ever wonder how they know what you will love next? Yes, machine learning algorithms analyze your watch history. I have already posted a video on Netflix recommendation and how data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists predict these recommendations. The link is in the description. Just have a look. How to start? If you are new to machine learning, start with basic models like linear regression and decision trees. Kaggle has free beginner courses. Last but not the least, soft skills. They are the secret weapon for great analytics. You need to master soft skills because being a data analyst is not just about crunching numbers. Why they matter? You need to be able to explain your findings to non technical people, otherwise, your insights won't matter. Imagine you find a major drop in customer retention. If you can't explain why it is happening and suggest how to fix it, your analysis is useless. How to develop it? Practice storytelling with data. Try explaining a complex trend to a friend in plain English. So, which of these skills do you already have? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about becoming a data analyst, check out the links in the description for free learning resources. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data analytic tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.